Good morning all. Today we are going to continue with our ongoing discussion regarding one-piece fittings. I'm sure you already know, but as there are many hose types with a lot of varying usage, we therefore have many different types of fittings to connect with. We have the 43.6, 56, and 57, 58 series, 70, 71, 73 series, 78, 79 series, 80 series, and the 90 series. The most popular fitting with our customer is the 43 series. It connects with the equally popular steel wire and fiber braided hose that use one or two wires each, such as our 1SN and 2SN, 1 and 2SC, R1, R2, R3, R4, R6, and R7, and R16 and R17. Depending on your usage, some of these are interchangeable. Did you know this before? If you need more technical data, please feel free to contact us about how to maximize the operational life of your fittings.